What's good YouTube? It's your girl Fabi and I'm back again with another video. Guys, I know it's a long time when you see me. But now we're back for good guys because guess what? We have our camera! Guys, we have a camera guys. We have a camera guys. Look. Sony! Guys. We have a camera guys, so we're back for good now guys. So we're gonna unbox it now. We're gonna unbox it. So guys, we are there now. Alright. We're gonna unbox it now, chat. See it? It's new guys. It is so new. These are the book. These are the book guys. And it's a I don't know what they mean this. What them say about scan the code. Scan it. Them say scan the code this so. And give you some money for book. But you when I read book, I put it down. I put on them that be a book them give you guys. So we are going to the unboxing part. Now read them something guys. Alright chat, see it here. The camera. Cute. Guys, which color ear this thing? How my ear look, guys. I will go back to this. What is them give me so? What is them give me? Them give me sweet guys. Oh, a mic. Guys, them give me one mic. See tell one mic, them give me. Guys, I'm going to ask Storytime at home buy the camera. But I have this boyfriend, you know. I have a boyfriend. I'm asking him, say, B, you can help me buy the camera? You know what I'm saying? Yes, he might help me. He say, alright. He say, I'll give me 20 grand towards it. Because a 496 USD camera. I'm say, alright, I put the rest. He say, I buy the camera, everything, you know what I'm saying? Send back him 20 grand. So I'm sending it back to him. What kind of man that? And I say a mama man that. A mama man that. Anytime I see a man give something and take it back, a big mama man. But you see through me have my money, it don't really matter to me. Can you see there? Buy my camera by myself. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Guys, I got my camera. Guys, then give me charger with it, so. My camera. Yeah. Guys, I've been waiting for this moment so long. And I've been waiting for you for so long. Just say so that's nice and quiet, and there's something you know. How is them give me a so? Them give me something. Oh, them give me one battery, guys. Them give me one battery. The battery I have to put in there. Well, Sony. So, guys, thank God for buying my camera. Thank you, Lord, for make this possible. Yeah, thank God for making this possible. Oh, wow. Jesus. My camera. So guys, yes, so there's something there go. I don't know how to do it yet, you know, guys, but you have to help me. Bumbleclip! Come on, I'm going to mash up something already. Murderation! Guys, I don't know if my disk drive full already, chat. I don't know if my disk drive full. So I take time with it. I'm going to mash it up already, you know, just by taking off the top of your say, you know. Charger. Put it down back out. Watch you now, I put it on back. Jesus Christ, guys, I want to put it on back. God help me. So my mash up with something chat. Help me now, guys. Somebody help me to put it on back. I wonder if I back with them, they put it on. So. So guys, thank God, thank you Lord to make this possible. Finally get my camera. And then give me a charger, guys. So guys, don't forget to like the video, guys. Like the video. So guys, yeah, thank you so much. My TikTok people make it possible to, because them send me gift and them something. The TikTok people, thank you so much too, guys. Really appreciate all of you. You know, sometimes I make you get extra mad. And you know, but I say it go. So it go, guys. Now if you just understand, say me is a toxic girl and I can't do no better, guys. I try to be better, but it take a while. It take a while. Remember say no one day Rome never build in one day, you know, so how not gonna cost me if me I don't know that. I don't know, Bridget, can not cost me. Talk to me, man. Talk to me now. Talk to me. I say, I'm a good man. I came up to come. But I go.